An acharya teaches by personal example, and only one who has such a guru can know the truth. Acharya van Purusha Veda, Chandogya Upanishad 6.14.2. Only one whose guru is an acharya can know the truth. Only one who follows the acharya and learns directly from his achar can know things in truth. Oh, these are so many nice verses here collected in this, what is it called? Shri Shlokamrita, Guru Tattva. This is a nice chapter you can study, you have some understanding of Guru. This is Vayu Puran. Achinoti yashasartam achare stapayatyapi swayam acharate yasmad acharyastena kirtita. Of course, if you don't have a guru, you can understand from these verses what to look for. And if you have a guru that meets these qualifications, then you can increase your faith and appreciation for such a realized guru that you may be under the shelter of. So it works for both. An acharya is one who fully understands the conclusions of the revealed scriptures, and whose behavior reflects his deep realization. So we can think, yes, my guru is like this. My guru fully understands the conclusions of revealed scriptures, and my guru's behavior reflects his deep realization. My guru is a living example because he teaches the meaning of the scriptures, both by word and deed. Of course, that was mentioned in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Oh, I was wondering if it's getting to that. Actually, all these verses are building up to that. And I was wondering if that was going to happen, and in fact it does happen. It's all part of the same sequence, because immediately comes to mind when we hear about these descriptions from Shastra. This is called the Tattva Vichar, consideration of Tattva or Siddhanta. But then we want Lila Vichar, we want the example. So Gita gives us lots of philosophy, and Bhagavatam, when the life of the gopis, gives us the example of this type of bhakti that's described throughout the Gita. One who sees me everywhere and sees everything in me, I never lost to them, and they are never lost to me. Right? Yomam Pashyati Sarvacha Sarvam Pashyati Sarvatra. That verse, 6th chapter, verse 30. So that describes the gopis.
Yeah.
Looking everywhere, seeing Krishna in the trees and the plants and the sky and the water and the earth. Yomam Pashyati Sarvatra Yome Pashyati. I can't remember, but that's the first part. Yome Pashyati. It's chapter 6, verse 30. So now, when we hear about these things as someone who preaches nicely and also behaves nicely, immediately remember that Sanatana Goswami and Haridas Thakur. And in fact, that's coming up 2 verses now. Apanaya chare keha nakare prachar, prachara karina keha nakarina achar, achar prachara namer, karahadui karya, tumi sarva guru tumi jagatera arya. Arya, Jagat Arya, like Arya Samaj, or the Aryan race, means advanced, spiritually advanced. Jagatera Arya, a most advanced devotee in the world. Sanatana Goswami glorified Haridas. He said, "Some practice Nam Bhajan, but do not preach the glories of Sri Harinam. Others preach, but do not practice." Everyone should chant Hare Krishna. It's a very good idea. Do you chant Hare Krishna? No. You, however, Haridas Thakur, perform both duties to Sri Nam and are perfect in both practice and preaching. Hence, you are Jagat Guru and the foremost personality within this world, for you practice what you preach. Or to put it in common vernacular, hey Haridas Thakur, man, you walk your talk. Right? Walk your talk. So, this is what we're looking for in Guru. Someone that walks their talk, and talks their walk or whatever. They speak properly and act properly according to their realizations.